Bitcoin is like a roller coaster and it has been consistently playing with everyone's feelings for the past couple of months. Today, we're going to go over what has happened over this past few, weeks, even this past quarter. We're also going to go over where I see Bitcoin going in the short term as well as the long term. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Crypto RJ. This is Bitcoin to 1 million. This is a channel dedicated to making daily Bitcoin videos based off of the belief that Bitcoin will one day hit $1 million. Now, guys, this, in my opinion, is a guarantee. Again, there are no guarantees in life, but in my opinion, this is a when, not an if, just because of everything that we talk about on the channel. This is the place to stay informed and up to date, guys. If you guys want to learn more, all you guys have to do is subscribe. I make daily videos going over price predictions, going over who's buying Bitcoin. You guys will get a good gist for everything. So let's get right into it. First off, guys, Bitcoin is currently trading at $88,000. And when I say market manipulation and a roller coaster, this is exactly what I'm talking about. I mean, we've had multiple days where we've had Bitcoin at exactly 10 a.m. just go ahead and start dumping. And I mean, we've seen Bitcoin basically become a stable coin at anywhere from 90K to about 85K. And I mean, it's been brutal. Like, looking at a chart like this, guys, you just start to think like, what the hell? This is literally like a roller coaster. And I mean, what can we really do in a time like this, right? Realistically, the only thing we really do is start buying cheaper Bitcoin. And guys, I have actually bought Bitcoin for the first time in years this month, which is pretty impressive in my opinion. And I didn't think I would be buying more Bitcoin, but when I saw Bitcoin hit $85,000, I had no choice but to go ahead and scoop up some more. Now, Plan B says, in my opinion, Bitcoin is extremely undervalued, and let's talk about it. So Bitcoin is scarcer than gold and real estate, but valued 10x to 100x lower. Interesting times ahead. Now, guys, I will say for sure, when you actually take a look at how scarce Bitcoin is, when you see that there is realistically only about 19 to 18 million Bitcoin out there, it is more or less impossible for this thing to not catch on fire and eventually go straight to the moon. Now, let's talk about the markets as well. Okay, so there's an 87% chance the Fed does not cut rates in January. So with that being said, guys, I mean, of course, rate cuts are going to be bullish, but we are looking at a potential new head of the Fed. So once that does happen and Jerome Powell is fired and out of here, we're going to have to see and reevaluate and see what happens. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin, guys, like I said, it is very scarce. The more Bitcoin that these countries, corporations, and companies are buying, the less Bitcoin for the typical person like you and I. And Japan's Metaplanet has just bought 4,279 Bitcoin worth $451 million. So again, guys, these massive corporations are consistently buying Bitcoin, taking more Bitcoin out of the circulating supply, which is eventually going to lead in a supply shock. For those that don't know, guys, Bitcoin is already running very low on exchanges, so it's only a matter of time before this thing really starts to pick up. Now, guys, this is what I was talking about. Bitcoin this month has literally just been doing this over and over again. It's trying to make like an infinity point turn, and that's not even possible, but it's trying to make like a 10 million point turn, and every time we basically go to 90, then 85, then 90, then 85, and guys, it has been very jarring and very boring, especially for me. I literally started this channel in this month, so this is about 1 month for me for this channel. And when I first started this channel, I was very excited because I knew that there was always fun stuff to talk about, as opposed to December has been, one, very boring, and two, like, it's just me saying the same things for a lot of these videos. But again, hopefully, guys, we will have some more excitement coming soon. Now, some bullish news as well. Long-term Bitcoin holders have stopped selling for the first time since July. Bitcoin pumped hard last time this happened. They know something is coming, so this is very cool. This chart basically represents long-term holder supply and net position change. And again, it looks like we are slowly getting out of the negative. So hopefully this will be very bullish. Now, long-term holder, I don't know how much or how long they would have had to hold for. It says 30 days here, but I don't think that's what they're talking about. I think 30 days is just a representation. So hopefully we'll have more bullish momentum in the next couple of weeks. Okay. Now, last thing before I end things off, guys, a new public company, iPower, has just bought their first 15.1 Bitcoin. Now, it looks like according to Grok, they do plan on buying a couple more $1 million worth of Bitcoin. So again, that is very cool as well. Another company that is joining the Bitcoin race. Okay, guys, listen, that is going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, all I ask you guys to do is subscribe down below, leave a like, and guys, I will see you all in the next one. Take care.